Hey, Wellesley here from My-Island-Jamaica.com. I'm going to share a little bit of my adventure here today with you. I'm actually in the hills of Westmoreland, my home parish, my hometown. We came a little earlier for a funeral, and as usual when I get a chance to come back home, I took full advantage. I walk around and visit all the places I used to go, and more so a wide array of fruits and vegetables and all the good stuff that we have here. So as you can imagine, we have lots of fruit trees. We have banana, we have ackee, we have pear, we have lime, we have mango, and I'm looking around while I'm talking to you. Mango, nesberry, all of them. We have coconuts, we have all of them. But I actually walked away from the house and came around the back, and I noticed this Soursop tree. I'm going to show it to you in a second. Loaded here. Loaded with Soursop. Can you see it? And loaded with Soursop. Most of them are pretty young. But boy, this actually, you would say this is a healthy crop. Yeah, so most of them are pretty young. I'm going to pick this one. Demonstration purpose, smaller one. Alright, a baby one. Will probably be not bad, right? Pretty nice. Alright. And I actually had picked a few before. I'm going to show them to you. I'm going to try and pick another one. It's another baby one here. Alright. Oh, by the way, that you can hear the birds in the background and the cool breeze. It's a baby one here. This one is fit. And also that's a banana there actually. We call that the honey banana. Just standing here, it appears as if nobody pays it any mind. And this is actually how, funny enough, that's how we lived here. When I was here, this is kind of like, I had really little or no regard. It's almost like we had everything we needed, you know. And so like this Soursop tree is here. Soursop, I understand, is a powerful fruit, lots of medicinal properties. I understand it has anti-cancer properties and nerves and all that stuff. Good for nerves. But we have it abundant here. Unfortunately, I can't bring back everything to Montego Bay. But I picked a few, and here are some of them. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna need some help to pick this up. So I actually climbed the tree. Yeah, I did. I climbed the tree and picked some. So again, I just wanted to share a little bit of my moving around with you to help me appreciate again the bounty and all the good food that we have here. And today I zeroed in on the Soursop. Alright, so thank you for your time, and stay in touch.